words. She.
S-H-E. She. She likes push poppers. She.
S-H-E. She. She is looking through the binoculars. She.
S-H-E-G. She loves her cat. She. Cute cat unscramble. Let's help the cute cats unscramble the letters to make new words.
Let's unscramble the cute cats. S-H-E. She.
H-E. He. M-E. Me. Will you be my Valentine?
Ninja Funix.
Like and subscribe to Ninja Phonics.